सातवी ऑल गोवा बाबू ब्रदर्स 2020 क्रिकेट सर्त फातोड्डा फॉरवर्ड जिखले। आयतारा जाल्ल्या फायनलींत तांणी पप्पू 11क 6 विकेटींनी मारले। सर्तींत 16 टिमींनी वांटो घेतिल्लो।
On strike, Sufyan Alam. A lot of appeal there, and the figure goes up. Sufyan Alam back to the pavilion. Nice shot there. Nicely drilled the ball. The ball goes to boundary. A great slice from Suyash there. And single taken by Raju Godge. And that's a beautiful stroke by Raju Godge.
Puppu 11, the runners-up of the 7th edition of Babu Brothers.
एक मेन विकेट सुफियान बेगीन आवट जालो आमचो थंय मातशें आमी पयलीं कमी पडले आनी मातशी बॉलिंग
Receiving the trophy on behalf of its team. Swapnil, you restricted Puppu 11 to 120. How was the feeling then?
Yeah, we knew we wanted them to I had spoken to our bowlers anything around 140 was okay. So when we got around 120, it was the best feeling for me as a captain. But then I just want to thank all the supporters, especially because the crowd which helped us to get the momentum going.
Can we have you here with the trophy?
पाळवणे मामलेदाराच्या टिमीन फॉरेन सिगरेटी धरल्यो। पाळवणे दर्याकुशीच्या पसऱ्यावेल्यो तरेतरेच्यो देशी आनी विदेशी सिगरेटी काणकोणच्या एनफोर्समेंट सेलान जप्त केल्यात। तातूंत चायना आनी इंडोनेशियांतल्यो फ्लेवर्ड सिगरेटी मेळ्ळ्यात। पाकिटांचेर भलायकेचे नजरेन आसूंक जाय ती कसलीच शिटकावणी ना। सिगरेटी फॉरेन आशिल्ल्यान तांचें मोलय कळिल्लें ना।
Enforcement squad has seized a large consignment of foreign cigarettes. Also, we have found that some of the stalls here, despite giving them warnings in the past, they have displayed a number of Indian cigarette packets. Now today the enforcement squad led by Joint Mamledar Dattaraj has, and along with the police, the seizure has been undertaken. We have found that many foreign tourists, many domestic tourists who come to Palale beach are getting exposed to this cigarettes which are here. The cigarettes are as cheap as 50 to 70 rupees. They are coming from China and Indonesia. There is no warning signs on the cigarette packets, and therefore it is used by children, school students, college students. We have also found today that there are cigarette packets having flavors: strawberry flavor, menthol flavor, chocolate flavor. All these cigarette packets are illegally brought into the state of Goa and moreover brought here on Palale beach, therefore exposing the youngsters to this reality.
इतल्यान बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात। नमस्कार।